This is the Heston GMBR36-LP gas grill, and I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. Today we're on Meathead's deck where he's been putting this Heston through the paces, grilling just about everything you can imagine. This virtual showroom video is part 1. For part 2, click on the link to our full detailed review right below this screen. Welcome to our virtual showroom. Meathead asked me to come over to his place to do a video of the Heston GMBR36. He was supposed to resist cooking on it until I dropped by, but obviously that didn't happen. Let's start with this Heston Horizon hood. It's kind of interesting. Look at that. It's got a weighted hood that will stop anywhere you want. It may be hard to see in this light, but the interior lights come on automatically when the hood is raised to a certain height. And the lights are located up here. At night they really work well. The position really illuminates the entire grill surface. This model has 2 of Heston's unique Trellis Burners and 1 of their variable temperature infrared ceramic sear burners. The Trellis Burners resemble a trellis. Heston believes this design provides very even heat. Many ceramic infrared sear burners are either on or off. This one actually has a variable temperature range. The control panel has knobs for rotisserie, the sear burner, middle, right burner, rotisserie motor, and control knob lights. Heston has hot surface ignition, which consists of an igniter rod that gets red hot and fires the flame on the burner. Now, other luxury lines have hot surface ignition, but they require you to hold the control knob in and continue to hold it until the burner is ignited. Heston has a unique system where you just turn the control knob, the igniter rod goes on and will stay on for 8 seconds to complete ignition. Slide out grease tray, and we have a double side burner with a 20,000 BTU burner in front and 10,000 in the back. Instead of heat tents, Heston has ceramic briquettes mounted in a stainless steel frame. When they get coated with grease and drippings, no worries. Just flip them over and burn all that gunk off. Check out these heavy-duty 5/16 inch thick laser cut stainless steel grates. Another unique feature, it has an infrared back burner for rotisserie, but because it's positioned on top above the food rather than at the back of the grill, it can be used as an overhead broiler. A warming rack is included, also 5/16 inch stainless steel. It functions as a warming rack, or with that infrared burner above, it can be used for searing and bubbling up pizzas and cheese toppings. And this rack has 3 positions: down low, middle position, up, and away, all the way to the top for super searing. If you don't need the warming rack, you can just tuck it away against the back. This rotisserie is pretty cool. Look, Ma, no visible motor. It's built into the grill itself. Just pop that spit in place, turn on the rotisserie motor, and you're ready to go. A low-profile water pan is included, and this is nice because it easily fits between the heavy grates and the ceramic diffuser plates. You also get a smoke tube for wood chips to do a little bit of smoke in. Really nice cart. Check out those hinges, huh? And this slide-out shelf for an LP tank is mighty convenient. 4 heavy-duty locking casters. Fold down side shelf on the left. Beautiful fit and finish all the way around. This is one solid, impressive grill. We thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on our full detailed review. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.